Hi, welcome to Learn English and Practice with Marie. Today we're going to do American English Idioms lesson number 78. We'll go through 5 idioms and review their meanings, a couple of examples, and we'll finish with a story so you can hear the idioms in context. This is a series, so if you like this video, subscribe for more. Let's get started. First, I'll read the idioms. Clean bill of health, spice things up, as good as gold, 2 peas in a pod, all hands on deck. First, we have clean bill of health. This means a doctor's statement that someone is healthy. So to participate in sports, typically a professional athlete or even an athlete at the collegiate or high school level is going to need a clean bill of health from a doctor. A note or a formal assessment that's documented from that doctor stating that that person is healthy enough to participate. Examples we have here are, after the checkup, the doctor gave her a clean bill of health. The car passed the inspection with a clean bill of health. So there you can see it can be used a little looser as well. Doesn't literally have to refer to a person's health. Next, we have spice things up. This means add excitement or variety to a situation. So when things are boring, you might decide to spice things up by doing things differently. Of course, spices are going to add flavor to food. They make flavors more dynamic. So much in the way that spices make food more interesting, we can do things to make situations more exciting. So if you're having like a social gathering with friends, like a little party, you might decide to spice things up and break out a board game or a deck of cards and play a game that you've never played before. Like that could add a little variety. Of course, that's a very tame way to spice things up. The implication there with spicing things up could be that you do something a little more wild, but hey, it can be used in all sorts of different contexts. Examples here are, they decided to spice things up by trying a new restaurant. Adding a little humor can spice things up in a presentation. As good as gold. This means very well behaved or reliable. So something that's as good as gold is perfect, reliable, strong, all of those positive adjectives. Gold is reliably awesome. It holds its value well. So for someone or something to be good as gold means that, they're solid. They're gonna be fantastic. So if an actor has an audition monologue that they know is as good as gold, good for them. That means they know they can always do that monologue and it's always going to pay off. It's going to be good no matter what. Examples are, the new employee is as good as gold, always reliable and hardworking. His word is as good as gold. He always keeps his promises. Next, we have 2 peas in a pod. This means 2 things that are very similar. So peas, of course, exist in a little pod and they're next to each other. So when I hear 2 peas in a pod, typically I'm thinking about friends or people who are very close and very similar. So when little kids, especially little girls, are friends and they go around with each other, they like the same things, they hang out with each other all the time, they dress similarly, you could say, oh, they're 2 peas in a pod, that they are like kind of very together, very in sync. Examples are, those 2 are inseparable, like 2 peas in a pod. She and her best friend are 2 peas in a pod, always together. Lastly, we have all hands on deck. This means everyone must help. So this idiom is derived from the idea of everyone helping out on the deck of a ship. So in a storm or when there's a problem on a ship, you might have all hands on deck. Everyone come out, help, like we have to navigate a problem or emergency. So that idiom right there has been kind of repurposed for situations that have nothing to do with ships, in that when there's a problem, when there's a crisis, you're going to ask for all hands on deck. You're going to ask for everyone to help out. So I'll hear this in corporate context sometimes. If there's an issue and you need help urgently and it is really important, the leadership of the company might ask, okay, it's an all hands on deck situation. We all need to find a way to make an impact. We all need to find a way to make things right. Examples are, all hands on deck were needed to finish the project by the deadline. During the emergency, it was clear that it would take all hands on deck to manage the situation. So let's read a story so we can hear these idioms in context. The storm had passed, but the ship was in bad shape. Captain Reed and First Mate Charles, who were like two peas in a pod, quickly got to work. The ship had just received a clean bill of health from the engineers, but there was still much to do to make it seaworthy again. It's time to spice things up and boost morale, said Charles. Together, they organized a work schedule with competitions and rewards to keep the crew motivated. It was all hands on deck as everyone pitched in to repair the sails, patch the hull, and clean the decks. Thanks to the crew's hard work, the ship was soon sailing smoothly. Captain Reed declared the team's effort as good as gold, and the crew celebrated their success with pride and unity. So again, those idioms are clean bill of health, spice things up, as good as gold, two peas in a pod, all hands on deck. Great job today. There are other videos like this on this channel, and more are coming soon. I'll put playlists and videos right here, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!